In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make files on OneDrive available offline. This is a particularly useful feature if you're planning to be without internet access for a period of time but still need access to your important documents, photos, or any other data you've got saved on OneDrive. Whether you're traveling, dealing with unreliable internet, or simply prefer to work offline, this guide will ensure you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by heading over to the Microsoft website. This is your gateway to all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, your next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. This is pretty standard, but an essential step to access your personal data on OneDrive. After you've clicked on sign in, you're going to be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your OneDrive account. This is how Microsoft ensures that your data is secure and only accessible to you. Once you've entered your email, hit next to proceed. Now it's time to input your password. Remember, this is the key to all your Microsoft services, not just OneDrive, so it should be something secure yet memorable to you. After entering your password, go ahead and click next. Microsoft might ask you if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking yes can save you from needing to log in every time. If it's a public or shared device though, you might want to skip this to maintain your privacy. Once you're signed in, head over to the All Microsoft section. This is where you can find all the services Microsoft offers, including OneDrive. Click on OneDrive to proceed. For some of you, OneDrive might ask you to sign in again, especially if it's your first time accessing it from this device or browser. If that's the case, just sign in again to proceed. Now once you're in OneDrive, you'll want to go to your home page. This page will give you a quick glance at your most recent documents and any shared files. But since we're focusing on making files available offline, you'll need to move to the My Files section. This is where all your uploaded files and documents live. In My Files, browse or search for the file or folder you want to make available offline. Once you've located it, you'll see a three-dot icon or context menu to the side of the file or folder name. Click on this icon to see a range of options. From the menu that appears, you're looking for the Download option. Clicking Download initiates the process of saving a copy of the file or folder directly to your device's storage. And just like that, your selected files will start downloading, making them available for you to access anytime, anywhere, no internet required. A couple of quick tips before I wrap up. Remember, downloading files to your device means those files will take up space on your hard drive, so consider the available storage on your device before downloading large folders. Also, if you make changes to a file while offline, don't forget to upload it back to OneDrive once you have internet access again. This ensures that your files are up to date across all your devices. That's all there is to making your OneDrive files available for offline access. Whether you're in the air, on a remote site, or simply offline by choice, you'll always have your most important files right there with you. If this video was helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips and explanations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.